This is a review of the tire inflator 150 psi that I will be doing a review about. And we're pretty much going to unbox this and show you guys what you get from this package. And without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get. You can see here it's 150 psi, and we're going to unbox this and show you what you get from the package. Okay, so this is all the stuff you get from the package. You can see we have the instruction manual guide. It tells you how to operate it. We get this beautiful velvet case that is really super soft. I really love the fact that, it comes with it. It's a huge plus right there. And when you're done using it, then you can put it back and use this velvet case, which will come in hand and in use. And then right over here, we get the tire pressure, the hose itself, and it's pretty lightweight itself. This right here, we get this as well too. It's the nozzle that you pretty much, put inside your valve stem and pretty much do the tire pressure checking. Right here, we get the beautiful bluish, it's like in a blue color, but it looks very beautiful, and it's a good feel with it. It feels super soft, and I love how the quality is really high quality. It tells you the indicator to turn it on. Pretty much just change the settings. So you could use this for your basketball, you could use this for your car tire, you could use this for pretty much your motorcycle, pretty much anything that has a tire or something that needs to be inflated, you could use this for. The brightness level right here is 2, the plus and the dim right here. To turn it on, I'm pretty sure you just have to hold this down, it will turn on right here. But we're gonna go to right over here. We get the pretty much the requirements you need to do the valve. It comes with the stems and all that stuff. If you're wanting to deflate tires, you can do that as well too. I do want to mention that you could also put air into your tire, but also you could deflate this as well too. Right over here we get the USB to pretty much charge it up. So you have 2 ways to charge it up, either from this USB way, or you could use the cigarette lighter, which is right over here too. You could use this way if you want to do your tire pressure. You could use the old school method as well too, but I'm going to be using the USB method because that's more easier and better, and makes the whole tire pressure machine itself portable, so you can move this around everywhere you want. With like pretty much you get to charge it up, but from there you could just move it around to go to each car tire and pretty much fill up the tire pressure. But yeah, we're going to be testing this out and going outside to to test to see whether or not if this tire pressure inflator is worth it. Before we go outside, I do want to show you guys. So you just press the button right over here, it turns on. You can see it's already set at 32 psi, and I do love the fact that it comes pre-charged as well too. You can see it's 0 psi. You could change the settings. If you're doing a motorcycle, you could do the motorcycle, a car tire, or anything like a basketball, or pretty much anything it needs air. You could use that as well too. Brightness is right over here, and you just press this button to pretty much inflate your tires as well too. But yeah, we're gonna be testing this out and going outside to see whether or not if this tire pressure inflator is worth it and how fast this performs. Okay, so we're pretty much outside to show you guys. So it's very simple. You turn this on like this. It's really, fast and simple. Right here you can see it's a indicator for a car tire. Now if you want, you could change the settings and go to pretty much something like this. This will pretty much show you it's a bicycle, and then bicycle, motorcycle, bicycle, and then after that we get another setting right here. Then we get another one. Then pretty much this one indicates a car tire. So yeah, it's really simple and easy to use. And I've set on, we're going to do it to 32.5 because that's the normal PSI normally used for all my car tires. You can see the tire is a little bit down, and we're going to pretty much inflate this to show you guys how easy and simple this is to use. So you can see right over here, we're at 29.5, and I'm going to fill it up at 32.5. So it's not fairly that low, but we're still going to see how well this thing works. So pretty much we're just going to click this button, and it should pretty much inflate your tire. So you can see right here, it comes with a flashlight. So you could pretty much, if you're working on an area that's dark or something like that, you could pretty much do that as well too. So I do love the fact that it comes with that. So pretty much a flashlight to see any, if you cannot see in the dark, then this does come in use and in help. So you can see right here, this was very fast and very simple and easy to use. It's, user friendly, really exceeded my expectations. It really, pretty much inflated the tire pretty quick. Now, if you do, you could pretty much deflate this as well too. So you could go down if you have, let's say for example, if you put 37 or 38 psi and you want to go down to 32 psi, you could do that as well too. So if you by any chance mistakenly overinflated your tire, you can also deflate it as well too, which is a cool thing that comes with as well too. But overall, I would definitely recommend this. It's very simple and easy to use, and you know, it comes in two ways. You can use the cigarette lighter method, or if you want, you could pretty much charge it up on your pretty much your USB it comes with. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this. And also it comes with a flashlight as well too on the bottom, you can see here. So pretty much it, you know, if there's, you know, a area that you're trying to work on in the dark, you could do that as well too. So yes, it comes with a flashlight as well too. But I would definitely recommend this. And for anyone looking for a new PSI of your tire inflator for pretty much your car, motorcycle, or anything like that, this is probably one of the best ones that you could get, and I would highly recommend this product.